Begin by prying the plastic cover off of the OBD2 diagnostic port and also the left edge of the courtesy light, green arrows. Pull the courtesy light assembly out of the panel. Press the plastic tabs on the electrical connector and pull it out of the courtesy light assembly, green arrows. Note the connector on our car is slightly damaged here with one ear missing. Now carefully pry the OBD2 port out of the panel on either side, green arrows. Once free, press the 3 tabs on the inside of the port, green arrow, and pull the port out of the adapter ring and set it aside. Next, remove the T20 Torx screw, green arrow, holding the center of the panel to the dashboard. Now pull the panel down until both clips, green arrow, pop out of the dashboard. Then simply pull the panel until the fingers at the front of the panel clear the white plastic support arms. Begin removing the upper panel by using a trim removal tool and pulling out the cover on the side, green arrow. You'll have a bit more access to the components behind the panel with the cover removed. Remove the rubber trim piece around the lock cylinder, green arrow. You can easily pull this out with your fingers. Now carefully pry the plastic trim piece, green arrow, off of the dashboard. Start at the left side with your trim removal tool and carefully work the remainder of the trim piece off. Now remove the trim piece from the other side of the panel, green arrow. Loosen and remove the 2 T20 Torx, green arrow, screws holding the right side of the panel to the dashboard. Loosen and remove the 2 T20 Torx screws from the right side of the panel, green arrows. Note that in this image the screws have already been removed. Remove the T20 Torx screw from the left side of the panel at the bottom and indicated by the green arrow. Loosen and remove the T20 Torx screw from the right side of the panel at the bottom, green arrow. You can now pull the lower panel off of the dashboard. Press the tab on the electrical connector, green arrow, and pull it apart. Press the tab on the electrical connector going to the dimmer switch and pull it off. Do the same for the headlight switch right next to it, yellow arrow. You'll now need to remove the cable from the parking brake release lever. Pull the sheath, green arrow, back enough to clear the lever and pop the ball, yellow arrow, out of the handle. When reinstalling the cable, make sure that the retaining grommet, green arrow, fits into the hole on the bracket. This can pop out easily. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.